Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix hosting or domain suspended problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will show you two simple methods. The first one works if you have access to your Hostinger account, and the second one applies if you don't. So let's start with the first method. If you have access, log into your Hostinger H panel. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the chat icon. This will open the support section. You can now explain your issue to the Hostinger support team. Simply request them to unsuspend your domain or hosting, and they'll help you resolve it quickly. Now, if you don't have access to your Hostinger account, don't worry. There's still a way. Go to support.hostinger.com using your web browser. In the search bar, type suspended and hit enter. Then scroll down and open the article related to domain suspension. Once you're there, scroll down again and click on the Contact Us link. Here, you'll find two ways to reach support. You can either send an email directly to support@hostinger.com or click on the Contact Us page to explore more contact options such as chat or ticket submission. And that's it. So that is how you can fix hosting or domain suspended problems. So that's all for this video. Thanks.